To install Dell Digital Delivery application on your Dell computer, you can go to Dell website. You can go to dell.com/support, and then over here enter the service tag number or express service code of your computer over here. You will find it at the bottom of your laptop, or you can click on this option which says detect this PC automatically. So click on it. Now once it detects your computer, now you can click on explore product support. Now on the left hand side, click on drivers and downloads, and then scroll down, click on find drivers. Now on this page here you can see all available drivers. Here you can see keyword. So over here you can type in Dell Digital Delivery application, click on it. Now over here you will find Dell Digital Delivery application. You can click on download, and then you can run this exe file. Click on yes to allow, select install, then click on continue. And now you can launch Dell Digital Delivery. So in the Windows search box, you can type in Dell Digital Delivery app over here, and then you can launch it. And once you launch it, you will see the list of purchased software from Dell. You should be able to see it. For example, in my case is Office Home and Student. So you can click on get started. You can install it. In my case, it's McAfee also. You can install it. If you have any other application, you will find it over here, and then you can install it. If you don't find any application over here, in that case, over here you can see this question mark. Click on it, and then you have to click on refresh. And you can even try to please log into Dell Digital Locker. You can try that, or you can simply click on refresh, and once it will refresh, you should be able to see all your software which is purchased from Dell. And here you should be able to see. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.